A mixed day of grain and livestock futures trade on Tuesday. Arlan Suderman with StoneX joining us. And Arlan, I want to talk about the cattle market, a big down day on Monday. Tried to consolidate Tuesday, but, are the tops in and is there more downside risk?
Yeah, as we look at it, we're really got a battle here between the fundamentals and money flow in this cattle market. And it was triggered by that cattle on feed report that came out on Friday, showing better than 100,000 more head of cattle that placed during the month than what was expected. Fundamentally, we're still tight, not near term, as we brought more cattle into the system. So over the next 6 months, there's more than expected. Beef production is still down 5%. What this says, and if you break down the data here, it shows that we're still liquidating the breeding herd. We're still shrinking the breeding herd, if you will. So we're going to be even tighter down the road than what we are now. But near term, it caused the funds to really liquidate positions. We saw a massive sell-off, but I believe it was 135,000 contracts yesterday, but open interest only went down by 4,000. So there's a lot of buyers in there. Was that the packers knowing what the situation really is and setting themselves up well for going forward? It went, and if we get a bounce in the board to be able to pay for the cash, basically the expectation is that cash will hold in here pretty well this week.
We did do some technical damage. Let's hope we can move past it. What about the soybean market? A little bounce on Tuesday. How much of that was just putting in some South American weather premium?
Yeah, exactly right. And it's dry in Brazil. It hasn't rained for the last week in Mato Grosso. I should say in center west Brazil, it's dry. Forecast has 1 to 2 inches over the next week to 10 days. Those forecasts have tended to under-verify. Will they come? If they do, our people in Brazil say they'll be fine. If they don't, that's when the problems are going to start adding up.
And Corden, we went the opposite direction. Still some macroeconomic concerns hanging in those markets.
Yeah, kind of like crude oil trading, negative macroeconomic ideas that recession is going to hit the world and we're going to see decreased demand.
And so we're likely to see more technical selling, you think, in those markets or not?
Yeah, assuming headline risk there, headline risk with the Middle East war is constantly going to be with us now, let alone some of the other factors we have.
Thanks for joining us. That's Arlan Suderman with StoneX, and that's Markets Now. We'll have more AgDay coming up.
Contact Arlan Suderman by email at arlan.suderman@stonex.com.